Remember to set up your Inventor project before starting and to speed or slow the video to best fit your needs. Use rewind when you have to follow what I'm doing. You can use the J key to rewind 10 seconds, the left arrow key to rewind 5 seconds, and the K key to pause. The part we want to make today is right here, and let's start it. So we can make a new part, and we'll make a sketch on the XY plane. There are a lot of ways to make this. I'm going to make it in one of the simpler ways. I'm going to make the larger disc first, which has a diameter of 1.75 inches. And I'll finish that and extrude it toward me 0.25 inches. Then I'll make a sketch here and make another circle of diameter 1.165. Finish that, extrude outward by that amount. So you can see we're very close to the part with the exception of the holes. So how do we make those holes? So the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to make a sketch on this face here, and I'm going to use something we may or may not have used very much before, and that is called Slice Graphics. And when I right click Slice Graphics or hit F7, what that does is it removes any stuff that's on top of my sketch plane. And so I got rid of that disc on top. I'm going to go to Construction, Circle, and I'm going to come here and I'm going to make a circle that's going to locate those holes, and they're at a radius of 0.725. So I want to have 2 times 0.725 here, and you can barely see it, but it's there. So when you slice graphics, you get this kind of weird mottled look. I don't really like it, but that's the way it is. So there it is. And I want to be able to make sure I can place a point here. So what I'm going to do, and there may be other ways to do this, I'm going to make a construction line from the center straight up. And the reason I do that is I want to use this intersection here to place a real point. So I'm going to deselect construction and place a point right there, and then finish the sketch. And then when I select the hole command, it will make a hole where I have that point at the correct location, and the diameter here of these holes is 0.172. And so now I've got one hole there. And as you'll notice, I need to use the circular pattern up here to add the other ones. So let's see if we can do that. So we'll come here. Let's just put it in isometric mode and just give it a try here. So we'll select the features right there. Oh, I forgot something. Well, this might work. For the rotation axis, can I just click here like that? Is it smart enough to know? It is. So if I have a circular feature, it will identify that essentially as an axis. And I've got 3 of these only. And there they are. So okay. So here is my part, and so it's got its 2 discs, it's got the 3 holes that are 120 degrees apart, and it should look something like this one here, and I think it does. Let's find out what the volume of it is. Right click, Eye Properties, Physical, Update. I get a volume of 0.850 inches. So that's that part. Thanks for watching.